I think one of the most important things that makes us successful is our values. And it's not just lip service, it's the way we live. So our core values are customer service, continuous improvement, mutual respect, integrity, and trust. And those 5 things are a way of life for us. And it's what separates us from anyone else in the marketplace.
Separators instills confidence in the employees by continually letting us grow, continually training. We have opportunities to train outside, helping us with schooling if we want to continue growing and learning more.
My favorite part of the job here at Separators Inc. is the problems that are thrown at us every day. We have a lot of things coming at us. Every day is certainly different. We usually do have some finality to the problems, so we do have a sense of accomplishment at the end of the day. I certainly appreciate being able to finish the project, helping people out. We do get a lot of calls late in the day, and that's what we're there for, and we will stick with it until we are finished and the plant is up and running.
Well, this is kind of a specialized industry where not very many people or companies are doing it or doing it well. So we have to learn through each other to make a better product, and it's continuously evolving.
So at Separators, it's a group of people who care for one another. Each of the managers cares for the people who report to them, and it's really those people. Everyone, it's the 50 people within the organization. It's the entire organization that cares for one another. It's not a traditional combative relationship. We work together to make sure that we take care of one another and make sure the organization continues to improve.